And I figured I was going to have to clean that 10 gauge. I might as well dump the load out of this 20 gauge and everybody clean the boat at the same time. All right, now this is loaded with an ounce of number 8s, 70 grains of 2F powder, moss wadding. We're going to shoot it at the paper plate and see how many it puts on the paper plate with birdshot. All right, let me go get the plate, see what it's doing. Yeah, I got 15 of them on the paper plate, 25 yards. I don't know. Some days it works, some days it don't. All right, no Florida cracker. Y'all subscribe, keep watching.